Hello and welcome. If you're over 60 or approaching those golden years, today's video is just for you. We're going to talk about something that affects every single one of us as we age, the small daily habits and foods that can either rejuvenate our bodies or silently damage them over time. You might be surprised how some everyday choices, the foods you eat, the routines you follow, can have a huge impact on your energy, heart health, joints, and overall wellness. And the good news? With a few simple adjustments, you can feel stronger, more energetic, and healthier starting today. So, let's dive in. First, let's talk about foods that may seem harmless but quietly harm our aging bodies. Many seniors experience weight gain, joint stiffness, low energy, or even high blood pressure. And often, some everyday foods are the hidden culprits. Here are a few common offenders: sugary snacks and desserts. Cookies, cakes, and sweetened beverages spike your blood sugar, which over time can lead to insulin resistance, weight gain, and even inflammation in your joints. Studies show that high sugar intake is linked to accelerated aging and higher risk of chronic diseases. Processed meats. Things like sausages, bacon, or deli meats contain high levels of sodium and preservatives. Excess sodium can worsen high blood pressure and increase the risk of heart problems, which is especially concerning as we age. Highly refined grains. White bread, white rice, and certain cereals lack fiber and essential nutrients. They can cause blood sugar spikes and leave you feeling tired. Plus, they don't provide the lasting energy our older bodies need. And fried and trans fat foods. French fries, packaged snacks, or anything deep fried can increase inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to joint pain, slower recovery from injuries, and even cognitive decline. Now, here's the good news. You don't have to give up flavor or satisfaction. You just need to swap some of these harmful foods with nourishing, senior-friendly alternatives. Instead of sugary snacks, try naturally sweet fruits like berries, apples, or oranges. They're packed with antioxidants that help fight inflammation and support brain health. For processed meats, opt for lean proteins like grilled fish, skinless chicken, or plant-based proteins such as lentils and beans. These are easier on your heart and muscles. And swap white bread or rice for whole grains like oats, quinoa, or brown rice. These release energy slowly and help maintain healthy digestion and blood sugar levels. And instead of fried foods, try baking, steaming, or sautéing with a small amount of healthy oil, like olive oil or avocado oil. These support heart health and help keep your joints and cells in better shape. Remember, these changes aren't about strict dieting or perfection. It's about building small, sustainable habits that rejuvenate your body over time. Even swapping 1 or 2 foods a day can make a noticeable difference in your energy, mood, and overall health. So, we've covered the foods that can harm or help your aging body. Now, let's talk about daily habits that do more than just food. Habits that actually rejuvenate your mind, body, and energy levels after 60. These aren't complicated routines or hours at the gym, just simple, research-backed habits you can start today. If you're ready, type continue and I'll write part 2, where we dive into the rejuvenating daily habits, tips, and practical strategies for seniors. Welcome back. Now that we've talked about the foods that can silently damage your body, let's focus on the daily habits that truly rejuvenate seniors over 60. These are simple, actionable routines that support your energy, joints, heart, and overall wellness. And the best part is, you can start implementing them today. 1. Morning movement. Wake up your body. First, start your day with gentle movement. This doesn't mean running a marathon. Just 5 to 10 minutes of stretching, light yoga, or even a short walk can increase circulation, lubricate your joints, and reduce stiffness. Studies show that seniors who engage in light daily movement have better balance, less joint pain, and improved mood. Think of it as waking up your muscles and telling your body, let's get ready for a great day. 2. Hydration is key. Hydration is often overlooked, especially as we age. Many seniors don't feel as thirsty, but our bodies still need water for digestion, joint lubrication, and maintaining healthy skin. Try to drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water daily. Adding a slice of lemon or a few berries can make it tastier and add a little extra antioxidant boost. Staying hydrated can help reduce fatigue, improve digestion, and even support cognitive function. 3. Protein-rich meals. Fuel your muscles. After 60, our muscles naturally start to shrink, a process called sarcopenia, but protein can slow this down. Aim to include a protein source in each meal: eggs, yogurt, lean meats, beans, or tofu. Even small amounts make a big difference. Research shows that older adults who maintain adequate protein intake have stronger muscles, better mobility, and fewer falls. Pair your protein with colorful vegetables to get vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants for overall health. 4. Mindful eating. Slow down and enjoy. Another powerful habit is mindful eating. Take time to enjoy your food, chew slowly, and listen to your body's hunger signals. Eating slowly improves digestion, helps maintain healthy weight, and even allows you to notice when you're full, preventing overeating. Over time, this small habit can protect your heart, manage blood sugar, and support your joints by reducing inflammation from overeating processed foods. 5. Short, frequent walks. Move throughout the day. Even if you've done your morning stretch, it's important to keep moving throughout the day. Short walks, climbing stairs, or even gentle household activities keep your circulation strong, reduce stiffness, and improve mood. Studies show that seniors who stay moderately active throughout the day have lower risks of heart disease, diabetes, and cognitive decline. And remember, it's not about speed or distance, just consistency. So far, we've covered movement, hydration, protein, mindful eating, and staying active throughout the day. Each of these habits alone is beneficial, but together they create a powerful routine that rejuvenates your body, helps maintain energy, and supports healthy aging. In Part 3, we'll explore even more daily habits, including sleep strategies, stress management, and small lifestyle tweaks that make a huge difference in how you feel every day.
Cut to host, adjusting pillows on a bed. Sleep isn't just rest, it's when your body repairs itself. Seniors often struggle with insomnia or fragmented sleep, but even small adjustments can make a huge difference. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Avoid caffeine late in the day and limit screen time before bed. Studies show that quality sleep supports memory, mood, immune function, and even helps regulate weight. A well-rested body is a rejuvenated body. 7. Stress management. Calm your mind daily. Cut to host sitting in a chair with eyes closed, practicing deep breathing. Chronic stress can silently accelerate aging, impact your heart, and increase inflammation in your body. That's why stress management daily is so important. Simple techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or even taking a quiet 10-minute walk can lower stress hormones and improve mood. You can also try journaling or gentle stretching in the evening, anything that relaxes your mind. Remember, your mental health is just as important as your physical health. 8. Social connection. Keep your mind and heart healthy. Cut to host chatting with a friend over tea or video call. Loneliness can negatively affect both physical and mental health. Staying socially connected, whether through phone calls, video chats, or local clubs, can improve memory, reduce stress, and even strengthen your immune system. Even small daily interactions, like talking to a neighbor or sharing a meal with family, help you stay engaged and emotionally healthy. 9. Mental exercise. Keep your brain sharp. Cut to host doing a crossword puzzle or reading a book. Just like your body, your brain needs exercise. Reading, puzzles, learning a new hobby, or even engaging in thoughtful conversation stimulates neural pathways and keeps your mind agile. Research shows that seniors who challenge their brain regularly have better memory retention,
slower cognitive decline, and improved overall mental well-being. 10. Sunlight and nature, a simple energy boost. Cut to host walking in a garden or sitting by a window with sunlight. Getting sunlight each day provides vitamin D, which supports bone health, immune function, and mood. Even 15 to 20 minutes of sunlight exposure can lift your energy and improve your overall sense of well-being. Combine it with a gentle walk outside, and you're also boosting circulation, supporting joint flexibility, and giving your mind a natural mood boost. Cut to host sitting comfortably, smiling warmly. Let's recap. By incorporating quality sleep, stress management, social connection, mental exercise, and daily sunlight exposure, you're giving your body and mind a powerful rejuvenation every single day. These habits, combined with the healthy eating and movement routines we covered earlier, create a complete blueprint for aging gracefully and energetically. Pause, soft smile. In Part 4, we'll finish our guide with easy-to-follow tips for building these habits into your daily life, staying consistent, and making them feel natural. You'll walk away with a practical, realistic plan that you can start today and keep for years to come. Welcome to the final part of our guide. Now that we've explored foods to avoid, healthy alternatives, and rejuvenating daily habits, let's talk about how to make all of this part of your everyday life. It's one thing to know what to do, it's another to actually do it consistently. I'll give you practical tips to make these habits easy, realistic, and enjoyable. You don't need to overhaul your entire life overnight. Start with one small change. For example, replace sugary snacks with a piece of fruit at one meal, or add a 5-minute morning stretch. Once that becomes routine, add another small habit. Consistency matters more than perfection. Tiny daily improvements compound into big results over weeks and months. Having a simple daily plan helps keep you on track. For instance, morning, gentle stretch, plus glass of water, plus protein-rich breakfast. Midday, short walk plus mindful meal. Afternoon, brain activity or hobby plus sunlight exposure. Evening, light dinner plus wind-down routine for sleep. When your habits are part of a predictable routine, they become second nature, and your body and mind will thrive. If a habit feels like a chore, it's harder to stick with. Choose activities and foods you actually enjoy. Love swimming? Go for a gentle swim. Enjoy cooking? Try healthy recipes that excite you. The more joy you find in these habits, the more likely they will become lifelong routines. Track your progress. Celebrate small wins. Keep a journal or checklist of your daily habits. Celebrate small victories like walking an extra 5 minutes, trying a new healthy recipe, or meditating for a few minutes. Recognizing progress reinforces your motivation and keeps you committed. Finally, seek support. You're not alone. Involve your loved ones or join a community. Whether it's a walking group, a cooking club, or simply sharing your journey with friends or family, support makes habits easier to maintain and more enjoyable. So, to summarize our full guide, avoid harmful foods and swap them for nourishing alternatives. Move your body daily with gentle stretches, walks, or exercises. Stay hydrated and eat protein-rich, nutrient-dense meals. Practice mindful eating and keep active throughout the day. Prioritize sleep, manage stress, and nurture social connections. Challenge your brain and soak up sunlight for energy and mood. Implement these habits gradually, track progress, and enjoy the process. By following these simple yet powerful strategies, you can rejuvenate your body and mind, maintain independence, and truly enjoy your golden years with energy, confidence, and vitality. Remember, aging gracefully isn't about strict rules or perfection. It's about small, consistent choices that support your health every single day. Start with one habit today and keep building. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who could benefit from these tips. And comment below. Which habit will you start today? I'd love to hear from you. Here's to feeling stronger, healthier, and more vibrant at 60 and beyond.